Will adding an hour of training make a difference? Hi guys, welcome to the MedFitness Minute. When we look at the average adult strength training in a fitness center, we see three things that stand out. Number one is that they're relatively sloppy with their form. They more or less throw the weight up and down. They're not paying attention to the details of the repetitions. Number two is they're not keeping any records. They're not logging anything. There's no data tracking to see where was I, where am I going. And lastly is that they're not working very hard. They're generally discontinuing the exercise as the exercise begins to get difficult. If all you did was improve your workout skills, tighten up your form a little bit, keep a record of what you're doing as you're doing it, and work a little bit harder. Those three adjustments guarantee added benefits, added progress without adding any time to your workout.